for today's video, we are going to take some old rain boots that I've had forever and that I didn't really love the color of. These rain boots are the standard ones that you can buy anywhere. I think I bought mine from Target like 8 years ago for like 20 bucks, and I just wasn't wearing them because I didn't really love the color, and I really wanted some bright, beautiful yellow rain boots for obvious reasons, aka my aesthetic. And I love the ones that like Hunter Boots has. I will insert a picture right here, but they're like super expensive, like, you know, $150 expensive. So I figured I would try and DIY my own. So let's get started. Here are my fabulously plaid rain boots. They also have some paint and some glitter on them. Not really sure how that happened, but so this method will cover up kind of those imperfections. I'm going to use Rust-Oleum Sun Yellow, which is a paint and primer, so I don't have to prime the boots first. And then I'm just gonna do like really light coats all the way across both boots. You wanna make sure that you don't do heavy coats because then it will kind of pool. I'm also going to put my boots up on bricks or something taller so I can make sure to get that bottom edge. Okay, so how would I rate this DIY? This one is kind of interesting because I definitely rated the spray paint collection that my dad has. So this DIY was 100% free to me, which is awesome because I love free things. And speaking of free things, if you have not liked this video already, you should just do it because it's free. And also subscribe down below because it's also free, and who doesn't love free things? So anyway, when I was spray painting this, my dad was like, that's a terrible idea. This is plastic, it's not gonna stick. Ew, it's on my hands now. And I was like, whatever, Dad, I'm gonna do it anyway. When I was spray painting, it was colder than necessarily recommended outside. I think it was like 40 or 50 degrees. So I don't know if that contributed. And I did each layer really, really lightly, hoping it would stick. I did not sand these boots at all before doing it, but you can definitely tell that where you would like crunch, ooh, you can't really see it, like the spray paint coming off. Yeah, where you would like crunch in the boots is where the paint is honestly just coming straight off. So this DIY does not work. This DIY doesn't work in the longevity department, at least for parts on the wear and tear. I might try and sand them again to see if maybe that would help. It doesn't stick here. It's definitely stuck to this part of the boot where you don't really bend and crack on it. But in terms of the pictures, which is really what I wanted these boots for anyway, is I really just wanted to do a photo shoot with, ugh, gross. But in terms of using these boots for a photo shoot, they worked perfectly and they look beautiful aesthetically. So I would say that this is both a success because the pictures are amazing, and also a fail because like it doesn't really work. But it's something like this where I really kind of wanted light pink ones too because I'm just an aesthetic lover, and I was like, I want pink ones and I want yellow ones. So honestly, I might just scrape some of this off with just like a wet cloth and then paint them again, because then I can have lots of photo shoot props. These are still functional rain boots. I mean, they're still waterproof, they still work. They just don't necessarily look super great up close, because when I got to the location and I put them on, they started cracking immediately. Like, so in all of the photos, they are actually cracked, but you can't tell, which is what looks so great. I definitely really like the way it turned out, even if it's not totally a success. If you guys have any tips on how I could remake these boots better and maybe how they could stick better, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know your guys' thoughts. I would still recommend trying this, especially if you have boots that you're not wearing anyway. Like, I literally haven't worn these in 3 years or something because I just didn't like the way they looked. So I am definitely still happy with the way it turned out, and it was free. You guys know. I love me some free things. So I'm probably going to take these boots back to the drawing board and spray paint them a different color, because why not? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not super technical, but not all DIYs have to be technical. They could just be about the fun and experimentation of it. So remember to spread love in everything you do, and have a fantastic week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!